నేను స్టార్ట్ అయింది సార్. ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయింది సార్ ఇది. ఓకే. ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద సెషన్ ఎండ్ స్ట్రీమ్ అని చెప్పాలా సార్? అవసరం లేదు కదా? ఇది మినిమైజింగ్ చేస్తాం. అదే సార్. ఇది నా ఫోటోనా? ఓకే, వాళ్ళకు కూడా కొంచెం yes. వీళ్ళు ఎవరో అంతా రాస్తారు. అవును సార్, డిజేబుల్ అనోటేషన్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, కొట్టాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు నా ఫోటో నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు సార్. ఆన్ చేశాను సార్ ఆల్రెడీ. ఓకే, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఆల్ చేశాను సార్ ఆల్రెడీ. స్ట్రీమింగ్ అవుతూనే ఉంది. చేశాను సార్, జూమ్లో అయిపోయింది. అంటే జస్ట్ రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టమంటారా? ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రీమింగ్ అయిపోతుంది సార్. ఓకే, ఇంకా వస్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు. పర్లేదు సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే. ఓకే గైస్, కెన్ యూ హియరింగ్ మీ ఎవ్రీవన్? ప్లీజ్ need your response once.
Yes, you're audible.
Is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you everyone. So slowly I am coming. So by the way, my name is Yakub. Okay, I'm a senior corporate and academic full stack trainer with the 12 plus years of experience in software development and in software development as well as corporate training also, with hands-on experience, hands-on technical training. And I'm specialized in Python full stack, Java full stack, UI full stack. Okay, I given so many training like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture. Okay, now I am giving training into CareerIT also from past 5 years. Okay, I'm the senior most one of the faculty. And coming from CareerIT training is one of the India's leading professional training center. Okay, known for delivering high quality, industry oriented software training for over a decade with 10 plus years of experience. Okay, in over the year, CareerIT has trained more than 1 lakh students, including fresh graduates, working professionals, and career changes. The institute has strong placement record with thousands of learners successfully placed in the top MNC companies, startups, and product-based company, service-based company across the India. And our main core strength of CareerIT is experienced trainers. Experienced trainer, the main point. The second one is we trained you mainly on job-focused curriculum. The next one, practical learning approach. So, not a, college level training. Here we can, so once you get training with us, okay, you guys are able to do job directly in the company. Practical learning approach. The next one, dedicated placement supports. Guys, within 1 month, past 1 month, more than 50 students are placed in MNC company, like startup and medium companies. And we guys are focusing on main, so means and JD based learning here. JD means what? Job description based learning. And we have a modern infrastructure also. Okay, we have a online offline training, and we are going to providing like Java full stack development, Python full stack development, data science, machine learning, data science with generative AI, okay, data engineering, dev apps, okay, like this course we are going to offering, right? This is the small introduction about me and Career IT Center. Okay, now slowly we'll start our Python course, right? Guys, now slowly I'm coming here. Simple. So when we start, right? Right. Okay. So when we start journey with technology or any as a software engineer, first what we need. Okay. So the main aim of programming, what is the purpose of programming languages and what types of program languages we have? By using programming language, what kind of softwares we are developing? Okay, which software developing is what kind of software? Okay, these things slowly I will highlight you here in this my demonstration. Okay, the first thing here, okay, the first point actually, what is programming languages? What is programming languages? See, before going to talking about programming languages, one thing, as a human being, we can understand here high level language like English, Telugu, Hindi. Language main purpose is what? Communication purpose. We are communicating one person to the another person. So how we are going to communicating in the same way if you want to communicate with but machine won't understand our high level language. Here, machine can understand only machine level language that is called zeros are ones. And this is called a binary level language. So what I'm telling, okay, if you send hello guys, this is a high level language, means English. And this language directly won't understand by our machine. Reason is because machine can understand only binary level language, means zeros are ones. Sir, how to communicate our high level language into low level language? It means mission level language. See, in order to communicate our high level language into low level language, for that we require translator, guys. Then what is a translator? Simple, I will tell you one mass example, you will get more clarity. Suppose here I am taking one name. Okay, I am taking name is what? Anji. So Anji, expert in English. I am expert in Telugu. See, Anji can understand only English, my friends. Okay, okay. Am can understand me can understand only Telugu. No, in Telugu, I am telling to the Anji. Okay, okay. How are you, Bagunnava? Like this. But when I say Bagunnava, Anji won't understand. Now, but here, what is my aim? I want to communicate with him, right? Okay, in this situation between me and Anji, okay, Lavanya is came. Now Lavanya, okay, she knows both language, English and Telugu. So when I say Bagunnava, Lavanya take my instruction and she can convert Telugu instruction into English language and convey to our Anji. Anji can understand. Anji can reply back to the Lavanya. Lavanya take instruction from the Anji and Lavanya can take English instruction and that instruction converting into Telugu again sending back to me. See my friends, here Lavanya is nothing but a translator. In the same way, okay, between human beings to our mission. Here, our between human beings to mission. To translate high level language to low level, here we are going to using one translator is called operating system. Operating OS is nothing but a translator. OS can understand high level and convey into low level and low level to high level. This is what our OS. But then what is the OS, sir? What is the operating system? What is the operating system? Here, operating system is nothing but a one kind of software. Okay, it is a one kind of software. One kind of software. So what it can do? Right, software purpose is what? Take your instruction. Based on your instruction, if required, it can do calculation. If required, play the some music. If required, play some audio, video. Okay, if required, some it can do the paint also. That is the main use of our operating system. Mean take your instruction and according to your instruction, it can perform some operation. That is the main purpose of our operating system. So simple thing, if as a user we can use them, but as developer don't want to use predefined programs. Guys, here OS contains predefined application like calculator, paint, Windows, media player. So these all are developed. Just we are going to using. The environment will be created by the operating system. And then like suppose you guys are want to develop calculator application or paint application, then what will do? And for that we are going to learning the programming language. So in OS, which software they given, those software simply we are going to using. So we are not going to do any modification. Okay, if you want to develop such kind of application, then we need to learn programming languages. So then what is the program? So what will use the program? What is the use of program? Program is nothing but a set of instructions. Set of instructions. So I am giving some program. So let us see here. I am giving one example. We'll get more clarity. So before that going, actually what is a software? Software is nothing but a collection of programs. Not only one program, collection of program. Then what is the program? Program is nothing but a set of instructions. Look here. Suppose, here today I want to, I want to celebrate birthday programs. Birthday is one program. Okay, if you want to celebrate birthday, what we require? Arrangement some cakes. It is a first instruction. Cutting the cakes, second instruction. Dance and singing song, third instruction. And to enjoy, fourth instruction. Then only your birthday will be fulfilled. Means here, arrangement, cutting the cakes, dance and sing a song, and to enjoy. These are the set of instruction.
Brother నిండిందది.
Okay, set of instruction. And in programming language, these all are called statements, sir. These are all called statements. But when you go with statement, program can contains four types of statements here. The first one is input statements. Okay. And initialization statements, processing statements, and output statements. Every program can contain four types of instructions. Four types of instruction. Okay. Please unmute, guys. Anji, mute it. Okay. The next every program contains four type of statements. First one is input statements, and in input we have a two variable declaration and value initialization. The second one is a processing statement, and last one is what output statement, sir. This is what our program. The next, now coming complete diagram. Program. What is software? Software is nothing but a collection of programs. Group of program is called a software. Again, here softwares are two types. The first one is a system software, then second one is application software. See, system software is a software. It is also designed with collection of programs. But system software mainly used for translating purpose. Simple example, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu. These all are best example for operating system. And these operating systems create environment between end user to system hardware parts. Guys, if you develop system softwares, it will take years of time. It is not a one day time, sir. Take years of time. And simply we can call These all our softwares are product-based software. Product means they are developing directly sale into the market. That is what system software. So we guys are not going developing system softwares. But as a developer, so you and our friends also, okay, they are going to learning programming language means what? Tomorrow they can develop application softwares only. Reason is what? No, application software takes less time. That is also depends on requirement. So according to client requirement means our user requirement, we can develop application software within 1 day, within 2 day, within 1 week, or 1 month, or 6 months, right? And sir, what is the example of application software? Simple. Gmail application is application software. Book My Show application software. Your WhatsApp application software, YouTube channel application software, Spotify. In mobile phone we are playing some music. These all are the best example for application software. Not only that one, okay, in daily way, if you want to create your resume, MS Word application software, MS Excel application software, MS Paint application software. These all are the best example for application software. And one point, what is the difference between system software and application software? Simple. System software create environment between end user to system hardware part. Simply what we call it is a platform. Application software are used for specific purpose, sir. Specific uses. Then what is meaning of specific uses? I am coming with that one. See, Book My Show. That is a web-based application, right? And a web-based application. And that application, okay, used for only booking the tickets, not for others. Not for others. Amazon website is application software. By using Amazon, just we are purchasing the products. WhatsApp, just chatting, sending messages. Here my question is what? By using WhatsApp, I want to create one resume. Tell me, sir, is it possible to creating resume with WhatsApp? Anyone response, sir? Is that possible? No. Because of WhatsApp don't having a functionality to create our document, right? Don't have any functionality in WhatsApp. Then by using MS Word, I want to chat with my friends. Is it possible? Anyone? Is it possible? Again, no. Because of chatting functionality not given inside the MS Word. Thank you, your response. Means which application designed for specific purpose, specific functionality. Such kind of softwares are application software, guys. Right? Now here, if application software wants to communicate with system software, it has take help system software. The meaning is what? Every application software we are going to install within the system softwares. Without system software, there is no application software. Simply what we call all the application softwares are external softwares, sir. External softwares. So remember, okay, when we start learning any programming languages, you guys are must be remember these two words. Which one is a system software? Which one is application software? And as a developer, tomorrow onwards, we are developing what kind of software? Right? System software already they given. Okay, in our laptop is there, sir. And we are going to focusing on developing application softwares only. So we are learning Python programming language. Means we are developing application software like a VLC media player, Chrome browser, Book My Show, Amazon website, OLX, Flipkart, Gmail application, Facebook. This kind of application we are going to developing by using Python programming language. The next point here. Sir, who will next point? We understand types of softwares. Okay. Then next, okay. Then what is the main purpose of Python? Guys, Python not only for application software. Now I am going to showing you by using Python, we can develop any kind of software except mobile, sir. except mobile. Now I am going to show you. Arey, why Python? Python simple. What is the first? What is the Python? Simple. Python is a one kind of programming language. The purpose is a developing software. Developing software. But what kind of softwares we are developing? Now I am going to showing you with official website. So this is nothing but a Python official website. And if you want to start learning Python programming language and you need any guidance from the Python, and please visit this website. Everything they given here, we can learn from this website. Okay. Then I'm highlighting here. What is the purpose of Python? And by using Python, what kind of software we are developing? See, simply come to down, and here we have a one option, sir. Use for Python. Coming to the point here, use for Python. Okay, by using Python, we are developing first a web application like a Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon website. These are the best example for web-based application. To developing web application in Python, they given some separate framework like Django framework, Flask framework, Web 2py framework. These are the framework we are going to use. The next one, graphical user interface application. The meaning is what? A standalone application, sir. Means which application run in single PC application like calculator, MS Paint, and MS Word. These are what we call standalone application. Standalone application, sir. To developing standalone, here we are using TK Inter, okay, Pygo Object, PyQt, PySide, Kiwi, WX Python, DRPyGUI. These are the libraries they use it to developing standalone application. The next one, very, very important, my friends, scientific and numeric, like, data analytics, machine learning, data engineer by using SciPy, Pandas, IPython, Matplotlib, NumPy, SciPy, Scikit, okay, Power BI, Tableau. These all are we are developing with a scientific and numeric application. And nowadays popular is AI. AI means what? Artificial intelligence, generative AI, Gen AI like this. These all are under will come scientific and numeric application. The next one, software development. Like testing tool application, database application. This one also. The next one, system administration application, like a OS, operating system. Python for web development, Python for standalone application, Python for machine learning, data science and data engineering, Python for testing tool, database application, Python for operating system also. That's why the Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose program. General means what? By using Python, here we are developing web application, standalone application, scientific application, okay, testing tool, database application, and OS also. That's why compare with other programming language, Python is very easy and very popular programming language. So this is the main thing nowadays. Python is very popular. Again, coming back here, my friends. Okay, reason to learn Python. Array, why I want to learn? Okay, before the Python, so many programming languages are there like C, C++, Java. Then why nowadays Python is very famous? Simple word, my friend. Python is very easy, very simple. Okay, even you don't have any technical skills, sir. I'm not coming from technical background. I don't know C language. I don't know C++. I don't know Java, sir. Is it possible to learn Python? Yes, my friend. Python can easily understand even fifth class student also. Then what you required? Simple thing, two things required. Just English reading enough. So how you are going to reading the newspaper? Okay, newspaper sentence that is enough. First point. The second point is what? Mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, less than, greater than. So these are enough. And if you haven't this knowledge, again I'm repeating, English reading, that next one is mathematical basic operation. These are enough to learn Python programming language. Okay, the next one, sir, and just I show you, we have development purpose, machine learning
Sorry
application.
for the difference. I have a doubt, sir.
Yes,
Sir, what's the difference between coding and programming, sir?
both are same hero. Okay, coding means what? You are writing some instruction. That is what code. Yes or no? That instruction is called program, right? Programmer. Programmer implement the code, right? Are you there? Need your response. Coding means what? You are giving some instruction. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah, understood. Sir.
Okay. It is really, sir. Praveen, what happened? It is really, tell me, what is your question? Okay, coding means what? We are giving some instruction. Okay, the collection of instruction is nothing but a program. Who will write? Programmer write the program. Okay, who are writing the program is called programmer, right? Simple word, right? Coming back. So machine learning, data science, machine learning, those are there. The coming backs are here. The next point is what? Data science. Data science means algorithms. SVM algorithm. Okay, last regression algorithm. So many algorithms we have. Next, job opportunity. And what kind of opportunity we'll get with Python? Sir, nowadays, okay, we have so many opportunities outside the, okay, our Python programming language. Now coming to the point, sir, then how Python is very easy. Now I am going to, okay, giving one example. Look, my friends, okay, if you display hello world program, hello world program with C++, Java. Guys, understand knowingly, unknowingly, C can take minimum 5 lines of code. Java can take minimum 8 lines of code, sir. There is no doubt in that. Look here. Okay, if you write a hello world program, first line is hash include stdio.h. It is a header file. Next int main, and inside the int main, we given printf hello world we given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines code taken to print hello world simple message. But if you go with Java, okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, minimum 7 to 8 lines code is taken. Every time you need to write same statements, sir. But if you go with the Python, just 1 line code, print hello world, simple way, sir. Print hello world. So how I am going to communicating is simple. Print X, print Y. Suppose in X I given one value, some 10. In Y I given 20 value. Or I want to print a addition of two value. Then what to print X plus Y. Simple. If you want to perform addition of two number code in Java and C, knowingly, unknowingly, it can take minimum 12 to 15 lines of code. But in Python, just 1 line code, sir. Print 50 plus 20. It's enough. That's why compare with other programming language, Python is very easy and simple programming language. Right? That's why Python is very famous. The next one, sir. Array, which company? Okay, what kind of software developed by Python? Right, sir? Simple one. Most of the top company, Quora, edX, Uber, Pinterest, Google, Dropbox, Yahoo, your YouTube channel, Netflix, okay, Instagram, Yelp, NASA, complete NASA using which one, sir? Our Python only. So top MNC companies. Top MNC companies using by our Python programming language only. So that Python is very famous, my friends. And next one, sir, survey report. Sir, which one is best? Guys, understand here. Nowadays, in top MNC company, which language using more to developing application, right? Python is 29 percentage, Java is 25, other language, C plus 12 percentage, other language 4 to 5 percentage, sir. So still Python is Okay, top in the market. Survey report here. Look here. Now understand here Python 28.7%. Trend still is running, sir. The second place is Java. Third place is JavaScript. And along with Python nowadays, they can, so many companies are using data analytics, machine learning. That's why Python is very famous. And even beginner also can easily understand the Python programming concept. That's why Python is very easy with compare with other programming language. So this is the some small surveys I given regarding our Python concept. So here points to remember. So which point you want to remember? First one, Python is a what type of Python? Python is a high level programming language. High level means what? Means a simple which instruction, which code you are going to writing. That code you can write in English only. That's why it is what high level programming language. By using Python, we can build a application software. Already I told you, we can develop application and system software also, but famous for applications, sir. Right? And who can learn Python? Already told you again. Okay, if the people can read or write English language, they can learn. No prerequisite knowledge are needed. So, sir, I'm not from a technical background. No problem, sir. I am here. I'll inject you within 15 days. Not 15 days. Within 10 days. Okay, I'll inject the complete end-to-end Python, and you can write your own logic without fearness. That is my promise I am giving you. People from different streams can easily learn the Python programming concepts. Right? So this is the main thing of our Python concepts, sir. Right? And types of softwares already given these points clearly understand. Now, guys, here I am highlighting one point. One point is very, very powerful. Sir, Python for which application? Web development application. Then actually, what is web application first? So, here I am giving. So your aim. So if you start learning Python programming language, what is your aim finally? So what kind of software you guys are developing? If you understand your goal, definitely you guys are enjoy in your learning, sir. Now I am telling that one. Suppose slowly I am going with Facebook applications. Facebook is nothing but a one kind of a web-based application. One kind of web-based application. Like this application developing. See, no, before going to developing this one, and actually what is web application? Simple. Simple answer. Which application run in browser? Which application run in browser? Which application run in browser? And which application output we are displaying within the browser? Such kind of applications are web-based application. Again, I am repeating, sir. Which application? Yes, yes, Amazon website, Flipkart, we can develop it, Praveen. There is no doubt in that. Even Amazon also web-based application, right? Okay, now I am coming, that one I am going to highlighting you, right? So simple. What is a web first? Which application run in browser and output displaying within the browser is called a web-based application. Web-based application. But every web-based application contains three types of layers, sir. Look here, I am going telling your goal tomorrow onwards what we'll do. Right? Every web-based application contains three types of layers here. I am coming here. So here every web application contain three types of layers. Three types of layers. Okay, in that the first one is a presentation layer. Presentation layer means it is a UI, means user interface. It is a presentation layer, sir. Presentation layer. Okay. The second one is a business logic layer. Business business logic layer. Second one is business logic layer. And third one is a data access layer. Data access layer. So before going to starting your journey, first you need to understand this point. First one is presentation layer, second one is business logic layer, and third one is data access layer. Sir, this layer what they can do? The first, sir, already I show you, and this is called a presentation layer. Observe here. So just I display the one web page, and this web page contain three kind of programming languages. Okay, see, this is a presentation layer. So simply I am coming the presentation layer. Purpose is what takes the user input. Suppose this is nothing but my first input box like a login page, and now it is nothing but a second text box. Now just I give as is a Facebook login page. Same to same I am doing here. The next, here they given the one button. The button name is what? Login button. Login button. And this is what, this is nothing but a user name. And the second one is nothing but a password. Password. So to design like this, here we are going to using three kind of programming language. So every presentation layer means our user interface application presentation layer designed with three kind of languages. The first one is a HTML. So designing web pages. Design web pages, my friends. First one. The second one is a CSS, means adding styling into web page. So if you want to add background color, images, font color, then go with what? CSS. The next third one is a Java scripting programming language. This is for validation purpose. This is for a validation purpose. Means what is a validation? Whether the given data is valid or not. So here, so when I am going to inserting the data, suppose here I am giving, first input and second input. After giving the input, are we are given proper format or not? Who will check? Our UI page will be check. Okay, right? So once validation is done, presentation layer send data to our business logic layer, my friends. And this business logic layer, we are going to implementing with our Python programming language. Simple thing, these all are .py files, not one file. And in these files, we are going to writing the business code. Means here we are writing, variable declaration, if condition, while loop, for loop, everything we are writing .py file. And this layer is nothing but a business logic layer. Logic layer, guys. And this business logic layer implement with complete Python programming language. So what we can cover in basic Python. In a basic Python. In basic Python is required. First one is variables topics. Second one is data types topics. The next one is control statement topics. Control statements. And next one is operators topic. Next, collection framework. Collection framework. Collection framework. The next, oops concept. Oops concept. After we are going with Django. Right? So these are the concept we'll see one by one. So if you are strong in up to here, and tomorrow you are expert in developing any kind of application, my friends. So this is very, very powerful. Basic Python concepts are base of our learning. Guys, are you there? Need your response, everyone?
Yes.
Sir,
Under this, we
Yes, sir.
cover NumPy and Pandas also, no?
Yes, sir.
yes. That is what data analytic purpose we can use it. Okay.
Okay.
Data types is came na? Inside data types, we can see collection data types also, like list, set, tuple.
Tuple. Yeah.
Along with that, we can talk about NumPy. Clear?
Okay. And Pandas also, right?
Yes. Okay, this is what business logic layer. The next one, one thing, our presentation layer and business logic layer won't store data permanently here. If I want to store data permanently, what we require? We require database concept. Finally is what? Database concept. Database, what will do? Store your data permanently into the database. In which format? Table format. Table format means in the form of rows and column format. And this is called a data access layer. What we call data access layer. And simply what we call database, my friends. Database concepts. So if you are strong in these three layers, then only you can become a full stack developer. Then simply how we can communicate here, my presentation layer communicate with a business logic layer. Business logic layer communicate with a data access layer, and data access layer give back response to business logic layer, and business logic layer give back response to our presentation layer. Sir, how to communicate one layer to another layer? Now, presentation layer communicate business layer with the help of a HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. And here we can use a PY MySQL library, sir. Then only, then only you guys are full stack developer. So every web-based application, not only Facebook, Book My Show, Gmail, sir, every application contains internally these three layers, sir. Presentation layer, what will do? Just gives the data and takes the data. So writing and reading purpose using the presentation layer. Sir, business logic layer, what will do? To execute the business code. Data access, what will do? Store the data. Store the data. So these three layers are very, very important if you want to become a full stack developer, sir. Right? So this is your main goal, right? But if you want to achieve this main goal and you guys are focused on mainly this part, sir. If you are strong in this part, okay, you are expert in developer, right? So this is the end-to-end we are developing. Sir, here I given one example, right? Facebook, even Facebook also contain these three types of layer. But when you see as a end user, we can give the data and display the data. This is what user interface actually. But after given data here, this data you are submitting to back our business logic layer. Behind that, they given .py files only. And that Python file internally communicate with our database, store it, update it, insert it, everything we option with data access layer. So this is what end-to-end our aim as a Python full stack developer, guys. Right? So this is my small demonstration today, and tomorrow onwards, same time we'll continue our session without fail. And guys, now I am asking few questions. If you have any doubt regarding this one, you can ask me one by one, and feel free. Okay, I'll help you from myself.
Good evening, sir.
Right, yes, Python we can enter into ethical hacking and data security, so that you need some basic knowledge, my friend. Okay, means basic commands are required. Okay, it is helpful you. There is no doubt in that. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
right. If any, you can speak.
Tomorrow onwards, we will start the from basics of
Yes,
Python, right?
yes. Just today I given demonstration, and what is your aim? That one I given to you. Right, at least we know starting point, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And in this, we need we also cover the exception handling, other things, right?
Which one, sir?
Exception handling, Lambda function.
We'll cover that part also, no doubt in that. Okay, Kalyani, thank you very much. Okay. Satyaji, thanks, sir, for not giving any homework. Okay. Satya, I will give so many hard work, okay, session wise, okay. At a time, I won't give, okay, I won't torture you, okay, slowly we'll see. What is my power? I'll give. Okay. You cover include presentation layer. Presentation on layer already explained by Samba Shivarao sir, and you can watch videos also, YouTube video. Already they covered, madam.
Sir,
He's an expert, right?
good
Right.
evening, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me, hero.
Sir, is HTML classes completed, sir? Web development one.
Yes, yes. Okay, one more faculty. His name is Samba Shivarao. Already he's completed, and you can watch that video in YouTube channel also.
Oh, that one ended, sir.
Uh,
Is the web development sessions ended?
I I think it is going to continuing, right? You can see the video. Yes,
Uh,
I know you're asking regarding video, sir. Okay, these
no, sir, no. Sir. I
wait,
used to
wait, wait.
attend a daily
Someone,
session, but today when I
yes,
am trying to attend the class, it is showing that host didn't, the
yes,
meeting is not
coming.
started.
One by one, I'm giving the answer. Okay, cool. See, I'm coming. See, recording session. Okay, these sessions are directly streaming in YouTube channel, so that you can watch the YouTube. There is no doubt in that. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, Praveen, thank you. Next one. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. Arjun, stay with me. Okay, and same statement you can pass after 1 week, hero. Okay, definitely you can change your thinking. Okay, yes, CareerIT. No, here is the here already is going to streaming here. Look here, sir. Okay, already here is going to recording. Okay, you can watch here video, no issue. Okay, here is going to recording. Don't worry. Okay.